Is the Misono UX10 Petty knife something for you? That is what you will figure out in this knife review. Hello guys, I'm ChefPanko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. If you are new here, consider subscribing to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. The Misono UX10 Petty has been bought with my own money. All opinions in this video are my own, without outside influence or contracts. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the video. We got 6 categories to talk about in this knife review. We start with the aesthetic and specifications of the Misono UX10 Petty. The UX10 is Misono's high-end series that is aimed at professionals. The Misono UX10 130mm Petty is a knife designed to be used on a cutting board for smaller tasks. It comes with a Western full-tank handle and a riveted nickel-silver bolster for the luxurious aesthetic. The monosteel construction is made from European stainless steel that is heat-treated around 59 to 60. It is easy to sharpen and it holds a decent edge. It is hard to see, but the logo is debossed and the black color will eventually fade away. It comes with a fine edge and a 70-30 bevel for increased cutting performance. The knife also has a distal taper with a thickness of 1.5mm in front of the bolster and 1.3mm in the middle. The knife only weighs 73 grams. The reinforced wooden handle is nicely made and designed with comfort, all the way from the butt of the handle to the riveted nickel-silver bolster. It sits naturally in your fingers. Misono did a great job with the comfort of the handle. The handle emphasizes the comfort around the fingers since it is a petty knife. The added contours add natural comfort with multiple gripping styles. This is done by making the knife handle thin and long enough for small to large hand sizes. The thickness of 13mm of the handle is ideal and sits very nicely around your fingers. The handle length is around 11.4 cm as long as your finger width, excluding your thumb, does not exceed 9 cm. The handle will be comfortable. There are 2 gripping styles I recommend, and that is the pinch grip at the bolster or a fingertip grip. Both gripping styles will make the knife middle balanced and it is great for smaller tasks and gives you the optimal control over the blade. With both gripping styles, you are holding the knife loosely and letting the handle rest around your fingers. The blade profile is relatively flat that comes with a gentle curve that is ideal for slicing work. The out-of-the-box sharpness is great. The knife comes with a mirror-polished edge. The 70-30 bevel will give you a smoother slicing performance on softer produce, but may struggle a bit on denser produce. But that has mainly to do with the knife style, which is a petty. The Misono UX10 130mm petty is well balanced. The attention to comfort and usage is great. This petty is ideal for those that work in a professional kitchen if you have to do a lot of smaller and more precise tasks that has to be done on a cutting board. This knife comes with premium pricing which has diminishing returns for home cooks, but will be a great investment for the professional cooks that have to do a lot of small precise cutting work. There's only one minor detail that is bugging me, and that is the slight protrusion on the full tank handle. It is not noticeable during use, but if you seek and feel for it with your fingers, you will notice it. And for the premium price point, I wish that they fixed that minor detail. If you enjoyed this video, then click here for more like this. And if you like that, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much and have a nice day.